Hello guys, welcome to Net Experts. My name is Sudhanshu Kapoor. So today we'll talk about how to install SQL Server 2019 Management Studio. So before I start installation of Management Studio, okay, so we need to understand one thing also, that so in the previous session you see that we can install SQL Server 2019 successfully. So once I install SQL Server 2019, so once I click on start and all apps, we can see that one folder is automatically created. Then the folder name is Microsoft SQL Server 2019. If I expand it, so you can see that we have four options which is automatically created. These are the four components. Number one is SQL Server 2019 Configuration Manager. Number two is SQL Server 2019 Error and Usage Reporting, SQL Server 2019 Export and Import Data, and SQL Server 2019 Installation Center. So these are the four components which is automatically installed once I install SQL Server 2019 in the system. Okay, so it's not like that. These components are only available in SQL Server 2019. No, in any SQL, either you can install the previous version of SQL also. You can see all these components, all these components which is automatically installed. Okay, so now I need to install SQL Server 2019 Management Studio. So why I'm going to install Management Studio? Because with the help of Management Studio, we able to manage SQL Server. Okay, we able to manage a database, we able to manage other things. So SQL Server 2019 Management Studio is a component through which we can manage SQL Server. So how we can go for that? Just go to start again, and I'll go to all apps over there, and then we have the option over there, Microsoft SQL Server 2019. Open this folder. Over there we have the option SQL Server 2019 Installation Center. Just click on this and click on yes. So if you want to install any feature, any services after installing SQL Server 2019, so you have this option, this component you need to use. So you can open this SQL Server Installation Center. So you can say that there is a, again the options are there. Okay, so now this time I can go for installation option, and I can go for install SQL Server Management Tools. Now SQL Server Management Tools are not, you can say that include in the installation part. Okay, so we need to install this Management Studio separately. You click on install SQL Server Management Tools. Once you click on that, it's open Internet Explorer for you. It's open the Microsoft site. It's redirect to the Microsoft site, and over there we need to download SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, the short form is SSMS. So we need to download it first. We're not able to install directly. Okay, this Management Studio are not available in the DVD also. Okay, so you need to go download first. So click on download over there, or you can down over there. We have the option, this one. So this is the version we used. SSMS 18.8 version we're using over there. Okay, so just go to download SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on that. So it's download, as you can see that. Okay, now as you can see that this tool is downloaded. Okay, so I just close this one, and I close this also, this installation center also, and I open once my download folder. Let's click on downloads. Over there we have the SSMS setup. Okay, so this is the Management Studio tool. I just open it, double click on this. Okay, so once I open this, means double click on the SSMS, the Management Studio, it shows me like this. So by default, it saves in C drive. Okay, and C in program files, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. So we're using 18.8 version. Okay, this is the latest version of SQL, and for Linux we can use Azure Data Studio. Okay, so if you have a Linux OS, if you have a Mac OS, so you need to download this Azure Data Studio. So right now we have a Windows OS, so we can go for SQL Server Management Studio. Now click on install simple, and start installing. As you can see that, it start installing over there. Okay, so as you can see that the setup is completed and installed successfully. Now once I click on close, it asks me to restart once. Okay, so once I install the things, I click on close. Now I'm going to restart my system, my PC once I install this studio management studio. Okay, so now my machine is restarted. As you can see that, now I go to start, and I go to go down over there. So we have now another folder is created, Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. Okay, if I expand it, so over there we have again some tools. Okay, so we have over there we have the tool name Microsoft SQL Management Studio 18 is there now. So with the help of this tool, I'm able to manage SQL Server. So we'll see these things in upcoming lectures. So you can say that in this folder we have 4 tools which is automatically created once I install SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, this is the way how we can install SQL Server 2000 SQL Server Management Studio. But that's it for the session, guys. I hope you're able to understand this practical. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel for more technical videos. Thank you very much for watching.